Hey you all. So yesterday I was watching this film, The White Tiger. I don't know what is wrong with these guys. Why did the film have to be in English? It's the story of a guy who is in India. Actually belongs to a village. He's a he's from a rural background, rural Indian background, and his progression also happens in India. Everything is set in India. Then what is the need to make that film in English? The only explanation is that you owe credit to the Queen of England and you're trying to fulfill it by some means. Look at how uncomfortable each of these actors look speaking English. Mahesh Manjrekar speaking English. It reminds me of one of my uncles who speaks English after 9 p.m. Then there is Rajkumar Rao speaking English. Rajkumar Rao is such a good actor. He needs to be speaking in Hindi. Haven't you seen his past performances? And the accent on top of that, man, it looked so fake, so irritating. And that's how another beautiful chance of making a wonderful film work gone down the drain because you wanted fakeness. If there are some people who think that, since the novel was in English, the film also has to be in English, I agree. The novel was in English, and see, novel and film are two different media. You can't compare them both. And in that main difference between a book and a film is that a book, like Stephen Colbert said once, that a book is like a film that you direct in your head. The reader directs it in their head. But whereas a film is already directed, you just have to watch and appreciate the excellence. There's so many people come together, so many arts and crafts are involved. So why not do a good job of it? If you had made The White Tiger purely in Hindi, it would have worked. Now I'm being told that there is a Hindi version also available, but I don't see it here in US. In any case, cinema I think has a language of its own. There is no need to force fit English language on top of that. Alright, look at how fake every actor in this film looks, trying to speak English and trying to fake an accent that does not exist. Man, you make Rajkumar Rao speak Hindi, man. You don't make him speak English. It's like having Virendra Sehwag open the batting, but you ask him to bat left-handed. It doesn't work. Somehow, the film, I dropped out of a film because of this unique reason for the first time ever. So these are my thoughts. I think if the story is set in India, everything is set in India, there is absolutely no need to make that film in English. And even there was another Nawazuddin Siddiqui film, which was also, in English, then half some other language. No, why do you need to make it in English? Yeah, make it in Hindi or any language, Indian language. Okay, so just wanted to share these thoughts. Somehow it doesn't fly. You look at Korean film industry. Koreans don't care if people understand Korean or not. Parasite won so many Oscars. Entire, Indians, so many of them, whoever has access to internet, is engrossed in watching Korean dramas. And there are people who are engrossed in watching Japanese anime. There's so many. They don't care about making anime in English or Korean drama in English or whatever. You don't have to impress anyone. You just have to make a good film. That's it. So if you maintain the nativity, marketability will come automatically. So that is my opinion. That's what I think. Bye bye.